Hi there, welcome to Retro Rewind, where we explore the software and games that makes me feel like a kid again. Windows XP was like a cozy digital home. With its friendly interface and that iconic green hill wallpaper, it was the backdrop to our early computing adventures. Games back then didn't need 4K, just pure adrenaline. Classic Pac-Man brings back the arcade magic. Munch all the dots. Avoid those sneaky ghosts. It's so funny. And who didn't cheat at Contra with up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A. Oh, and Doom, where glory kills were just called accidents. Turning the dial to music. Winamp was the pioneer of media playback software, making playlists cool before Spotify was a thing. And who can forget Napster and LimeWire? They were the wild west of music sharing. Next, let's rewind to the golden days of MSN Messenger, where instant messaging was an art form. Though it's offline now, MSN Messenger remains a cherished memory for millions. Flash Player was the magic wand that brought cartoons and games to our life. It was like a digital playground, where every click was a new adventure. That's all the content we shared this time, but you must have your own memories. So, tell us, what's your retro software story? Drop your memories below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.